Tanish. Welcome to my channel Kids Creativity. Through this channel I am going to show you different types of kids activities. Today I am going to show you bottle car. Let's start. For this we need bottle, switch with one wire, cutter, board, cell holder, wheels which you can get from any used cars, axles, fan, motor, double tape and straws. First we will take a bottle and cut it with a cutter. Please during the cutting please take a help of an adult. Cut it like this so a battery holder can fit inside. Now take a cell holder, fan, motor, switch and then wire. Connect the cell holder to a motor and the other wire to the switch, and take the second wire and connect it to the switch and motor. Like this. Let's check the motor. Now take a piece of double tape and stick it to the mouth of a bottle. Now insert the motor inside the bottle and stick the motor with the help of double tape. Stick the motor and the cell holder inside like this. Now fix the fan. Like this. Let's check. Now take the straws and stick it to the motor board with the help of double tape. Now stick the straws like this. Now fix the wheel and axle through the straw, so it can move freely. Now stick the bottle with the help of double tape. Make like this. Now let's try it.